Yes, guy, don't know, ramp up, just start up YouTube channel. So, you can check me on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and social media. All of them things there. And big up Ocean behind the thing. And you can tune in to Ocean thing. You see me I say. And Ocean are the cameraman and I go there behind the thing. Them youth they are letting me go and respond to the thing. So you don't know. Whole heap of comedy, whole heap of laughter, whole heap of acting, whole heap of music. Cause you don't know we are hardcore. We see it. So check it out and look out for the part 2 account.
Like and subscribe, don't forget.
Subscribe and all of them things there. Shares, subscribes, everything. Me I begging you guys. Whole heap of epic in it and whole heap of thing. Me I begging you guys. Just look out for this and support the thing. Respect in every aspect. Respect. Them say respect, but Rasta say respect in every aspect. I don't wear that crap. What we really doing now is some fringing of the bush to catch some bird. But more time bird catch, more time rat catch, more time dog catch, puss catch, mangoose catch. So guys, where we are going to catch on, but we are going to look on the bird fringe. Alright. Look, sometimes it's tough. Go on. Get here now. Get here. Oh. You more catch it, friend. And catch this man and get away now. See it there. Miss when you run the car actually. Yes, we just as we are going to catch him to the anyway. Yeah, we finish that. Alright. We'll set the pins in and over. Alright. It's a piece of stick, you know. I want to fly and catch some bird. This pop off the stick, trim down the stick, then tie the card around this. Before we tie the card around this, we make sure we get this a piece of straighten for the setter. And then we make a nose right here, guys. Now, guys, when we are set the print, make sure the bird them have clean space to walk. Alright. Clean we spot them. So we do it in. Clean we spot them. Make sure we clean we spot them. Alright, now. Jar down this. The bird is smart, you know. See, I know what you are doing, you know. Bird is smart. Yes, man, they will take on the card and still not catch, you know. Alright. So, you know, just do so now. Can't do things, so you have to know what you are doing, because the same thing you will look out your eye too, you know. You know what you are doing. So, this one, me I tell you guys, you see it, guys, dangerous we are running in the bush, you know, guys. Look out your eye. I know what you are doing, guys. Look out your eye. Dangerous we are running in the bush, guys. Know what you are doing, guys. Look out your eye. Alright, guys, just be careful. So when you set this round now, so guys, alright, set this so, put this so, then guys, use this as the balancer, because you have to know what you are doing, so you use this as the balancer. Alright, carry this nearer, so you can get a proper set. Alright, wool up hands and mosquito in the bush too, you know. God, mosquito bite me, man. Hard fish. In the bush, you know, man, a mangoose come teeth out your body, answer by if you all this type of thing. Alright. God. Pretty man. Card not up by so. Alright. This I knows I card. See, he knows I card now, he knows I card. I go for this. That is the fly up stick. Alright. Now guys, when the bird are walking, the bird have no intention to know say it's a chop set. what really happen now, guys? Some of them so cheeky fry. See as them tap on the stick and the stick with them, if them fly up, so it miss. So alright now, guys, I'll show you a thing now. Simple. For instance, me a bird now. I'm here walk up on now. Watch me now. Oh. 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 See the bird. Can't get me now. Catch now. Bird, catch. Yeah. So, guys, if indeed there nobody no come release him, the mangoose in the bush and you I said, wait, one bird catch man, food down there some man. So I 3, 4, 5, 6 mangoose around coming a guy. Yes, cause then sister meat did it. Yes, when them buck up all the big fat white belly did them. Guys then say, yes, this a Christmas, young gear in the bush. I saw mangoose them a go on now. And you see, when you go there, when you see I come then get up again now. So you see when a mangoose catch guy, you can't go to go pull him out, you know. No, cause when he goes up, and the rest of mangoose then here, and 12 mangoose are coming, you have to take for yourself. Yes, you have to take for yourself. 5 mangoose then we yam in the bush, you know. Yes, man, they will yam you like bird. Yes, the mangoose then will yam you like bird. Alright, tell the man so. Anyway, set back your prints now, for I'm sure you know it go again. Sure, tell nobody. There you go. Alright now, guy. It takes stiff enough, so you have to dry down. Alright, here comes me. Dry down, guys. Dry down, yeah. Set it underneath you so. Because if this no go underneath you so, you can't set it up. If it go round you so, you can't catch. When you put it round you so, you get the balance. So at this now, balance it. This balance it. Yeah. So when this balance, you know, take time and let it go. Lick out your eye too, you know, guy. You have to know what you do. A dangerous thing them, you know, guy. You have to know what you do. So when I say if I will lick out your eye, yeah. So when I try to tell you, guy, something will lick out your eye. Dangerous something, guy. Alright. Yeah. So, guys, that's all. Set the thing. To catch the mangoose, them and the bird them. Alright. Now some teeth going. Yum. Alright. Yeah. So this replace over that and that replace over this, as we show you already, guys. So this I chop set. So you put this here so. And this, no, me tell us a guy, hit. I style. I'm going to show you one more time again, guy, before me let it go. How the bird and the mangoose catch. Yeah, I go catch myself, you know. But you know, no call like bird nor mangoose, you know. Alright, guys. Yeah. So, alright. The bird now, you know. Nah, I expect nothing, you know, but some of them general guy, cause some of them when they tap on it and they feel it take good then fly up same time. So I prince miss them and no catch them. Alright now, guy, bird a walk come, you know. I'm a walk come and feel nice. And then pick up 2 corn and then pick up 2 this. I'm a walk come, you know, guy, and then go tap on it. Yes, guy. Sorry, bird catch, guy. Yeah. Sorry, bird catch him. You know, if they no come take him out, the mangoes come. The mangoes are coming and here. Food down there, some man. And all 3, 4, 5, 6 mangoes are running coming up. Yes, man. And when the mangoes then come and see bird, fight them and fight feed. For them I say, yes, at Christmas, long time we don't have feast. So, guy, I saw you go. Alright. Done showing already now. So, I go set in our guy and left it. But some teeth and boy in the bush, you know. Yes, so then teeth out your bird more time. So more time you can't leave it too long. You have to come back and come. Look panic, guy. I'm sure you have to know if you set it. Alright. You know. Make sure it's steady. Alright. What we really do, you know, sometimes the breeze will blow the card. So you throw a little dirt on it.
One.
Something funny. That's it no more. Alright, guys. That it is. Alright. So clean out the place.
Good on, mommy. Good on, good on. It's only. That's what it
Sit back, your bird.
Alright.
Cut. Hands. I'm nice, man. I'm not a sick man.